Good morning, Exploring Foods with Smitty, foodies. Well, today we're making a staple favorite for some and something new for others. I am doing copycat Cracker Barrel hash brown casserole. And what you need for this is you need shredded hash browns, cream of mushroom or cream of chicken soup, sour cream. You're going to need a half a cup of butter. And I think I said this already, but cheese. Okay, so let's get started. Just got to make sure that you can see what I'm doing. Let me get y'all straight here. There. Okay, so let's get started. So what we're going to start with is a 30 to 32 ounce package of shredded hash browns. Okay, so and these were taken out of the refrigerator so that I could make sure that they were good and thawed. Yep. So I'm going to pour my bag of hash brown potatoes in there. And that's one whole bag. I had to question that myself. Okay, then we're going to use 2 cups of cheddar cheese. I got my measuring cups here. Okay, so that's 1 cup. And that's 2 cups. Okay, so we got our 2 cups of cheddar cheese. And we have our hash browns in. And then we're going to add our 16 ounce of sour cream. Let me make sure this is 16 ounces. Oh, not quite, but we're adding it anyway. Put in our sour cream here. It starts to look good already. And if you've ever been to Cracker Barrel, I tell you, I love their hash browns. Okay? And then we're going to add in our can of cream of chicken or cream of mushroom. I'm using cream of mushroom because that's what I have. And sometimes you just use what you got. So let's put in our soup. Try to get that all in without leaving any in there. I think I got a little bit left. Let me see if I can find a small one. I have one. Where did it go? Okay, I gotta remind myself to order a small one of these so that I could get stuff out evenly. There. That takes care of my soup. There we go. And this is very, very easy to make. If you're gonna have like a breakfast or something like that, very easy to make. Okay, so to this I'm going to add my melted butter, because your butter has to be melted. Okay, and this is a half a cup of melted butter. Just going to pour that in. And then I'm just going to start to mix everything until it's all combined. Now at this point, you may want to go ahead and add some pepper. Any kind of pepper you want. You can put in something to make it spicy or just regular black pepper. Let me see. Okay, let's put in some black pepper. It's like you don't know how many people go to Cracker Barrel just for their hash brown casserole. And the cool thing about this is you can freeze it. If you don't eat it all, it'll sit in the freezer. You can keep it in the freezer, I think, for up to 3 months or something like that. Okay, so let's get this all mixed. It looks delicious. Okay, so what I'm going to do is put this in my baking dish. Hopefully my baking dish is big enough. It says to use to spray your baking dish, but out of spray, I'm going to go ahead and use butter. And then I'm just going to rub my butter around like so. Just to make sure it gets all coated. Before there was cooking spray, there was butter, and people used to use shortening to keep their stuff from sticking. Okay, so that's nice and coated. And what I'm going to do is just add my casserole into my baking dish. Make sure I get it all out of there. Just give it a spread. Okay, so my oven is preheated on 350. And what I'm going to do is put this in the oven at 350 for 45 minutes. And then when we come back, we're going to be taking it out. Okay, our hash brown casserole is ready. Let me give you a look at it because it's awfully hot. I just got it out of the oven. There it is. That's our Cracker Barrel, copycat Cracker Barrel hash browns. Okay, so we're gonna get a taste of this. Let me move this back over, like so. And let me bring this plate back over. Okay, our hash brown casserole is nice and hot. It just came out of the oven. So let's get some of this and let's add it to our plate here. Oh, smells delicious. So, this is our Cracker Barrel hash brown casserole with eggs, a croissant, and that, my friend over there in the back, those are half smokes. If you don't live in the DMV, you don't know what that is. So, let's give this casserole a try. I've had this numerous of times, so I know what it's supposed to taste like. It looks absolutely delicious. Yep. That's it. Give this a try. If you've never been to Cracker Barrel, try it anyway. It is so delicious. And thank you for joining Exploring Foods and Smitty with Smitty. And you have a good day.